Welcome to the Wi-Tek Solution Channel. We will explore Starlink-Ready Wi-Fi for remote sites, Wi-Tek AirBridge solution. After this training, you will learn which equipment is suitable for Starlink-Ready Wi-Fi project, as well as some basic product selection principles. The introduction of this solution includes 4 parts: solution requirement, network architecture, product recommendation and key feature, and bill of material. Part 1: Solution requirement. In areas with power but no wired internet, network deployment is still a major challenge. Wi-Tek delivers a smart wireless distribution solution, quick to deploy, no digging or piping required. With PTP and PTMP AirBridges and cloud-managed APs, we bring stable connectivity to farms, factories, and remote sites. DLAN support, fast roaming, and captive portals, all managed through the cloud. Whether the uplink is Starlink or any other ISP, Wi-Tek builds the last-mile Wi-Fi with ease. Part 2: Network architecture. The central location receives Starlink Internet, which is passed through a cloud PoE switch to an AP controller and a CPE-821 with an Omni antenna. This device wirelessly extends connectivity to multiple remote sites. Location A uses CPE-800 and a ceiling-mounted Wi-Fi 5 AP, ideal for bandwidth over 100 megabits per second. Location B utilizes CPE-513P, an outdoor PoE switch, and an outdoor AP, recommended for use with speeds under 100 megabits per second. A smart distribution approach, long-range wireless backbone, followed by local Wi-Fi coverage optimized for each site. Part 3: Product recommendation and key feature. If you have outdoor Wi-Fi coverage needs, outdoor PoE switches are the right choice. Given Starlink's limited internet bandwidth, we recommend using fast Ethernet switches, which are more suitable for this setup. Wi-Tek Cloud Outdoor PoE Switch offers waterproof design, 90-watt PoE, cloud management, and strong surge protection, ideal for outdoor CCTV and WLAN deployments. Following the all-in-one design philosophy, it eliminates messy internal wiring and devices inside metal boxes, saving you more on installation and overall cost. The built-in intelligent dip switch allows quick and flexible switching between 3 operation modes, no need to log into the device for complex configurations. This outdoor PoE switch supports high PoE power output up to 90 watt, 802.3 Bt, enabling flexible deployment for high-power devices like PTZ cameras, wireless APs, and transmitters, all through a single Ethernet cable. Various models of wireless transmitters can meet your project needs. Just choose the right one based on distance, bandwidth, and angle requirements. Compared to wired transmission, wireless offers pre-configuration, quick pairing, no software setup, flexible mounting, and no need for digging or piping, making it faster and more cost-effective. Wireless transmitters cover distances from 1 km to 5 km, support point-to-point and point-to-multipoint setups, feature UV-resistant housings, and are built to withstand harsh weather conditions. You can quickly pair the devices by simply adjusting the plus and minus buttons on the LED display. Through the cloud platform, you can monitor the CPE's transmission status and detailed parameters in real time. Before installing the CPE, you can use the cloud app to calculate the installation height. After installation, you can check detailed device parameters through the cloud app. We highly recommend the Easy Smart series for central location switches. You can choose the appropriate model based on the number of devices that need to be connected to the switch. Together with cloud functionality, basic maintenance tasks can be easily performed on your phone. When selecting an AP controller, you can choose based on the number of wireless APs it can manage. Next are the key features of the gateway. Our gateway has built-in AC and can automatically discover all fit mode APs, simplifying device integration. Unified configuration and management of APs, enhancing network efficiency. It also enables zero-configuration AP access for quick wireless network deployment. The second key feature is fast roaming, featuring 802.11K protocol providing AP location information for faster scanning, 802.11v protocol for guiding devices to the best AP using network status, and 802.11r protocol to enable fast, secure AP handoff with key retention. Next is the step of configuring fast roaming. Just follow these steps on the user interface. You can enable the fast roaming function. If your client has the requirement for a captive portal, you can also customize advertising promotions for them. Regarding the Wi-Fi coverage project of Starlink, we recommend using Wi-Fi 5 indoor ceiling-mounted APs. Similarly, for outdoor wireless APs, we also recommend Wi-Fi 5. The first key feature of APs is to support two working modes, fit mode and FAT mode. When APs work in fit mode, all need to be configured by an access controller. As for FAT mode, it has full functions, and it's an idea for home and small networks, supports access and routing function. The next feature is multiple SSIDs, bind SSIDs to VLANs for department isolation and secure access. Part 4, Bill of Material. Based on the previous introduction to the solution scenarios, network architecture, and product recommendations, let's now begin discussing the device selection. This is a standard bill of materials for a PTMP network extending Starlink Internet to remote locations. Starting at location B, we deploy an outdoor waterproof PoE switch, paired with a CPE513P long-range wireless transmitter, ideal when Starlink bandwidth is under 100 megabits per second. A Wi-Fi 5 outdoor AP then provides local wireless access. At location A, the CPE800 is used instead, recommended when Starlink delivers over 100 megabits per second. This site also features a Wi-Fi 5 ceiling-mounted AP for internal coverage. At the central location, the CPE821 serves as the main transmitter, featuring a 5G Omni antenna for PTMP distribution. Alternatively, the CPE517 can be used for passive 24-volt PTMP deployments. A cloud-managed PoE switch provides power and connectivity to the AP controller and wireless bridges. Finally, the entire setup is monitored and managed through Wi-Tek's centralized cloud platform, ensuring reliable performance and real-time control. Thank you for watching this episode of Wi-Tek Solution Channel. If you find our content helpful, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more exciting content. Your support is our motivation to keep updating. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.